Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Alan, and today we're gonna test the new feature on ChatGPT. This is the voice feature. So in the beginning, I didn't have this special feature because it's a new one. Now it's open to almost all of us. So you can choose here.
Hi there. I just want to share how thrilled I am to work with you, and I can't wait to get started. So
Okay,
what's the game plan?
he's very excited. So here you can choose the voice, composed and direct. Let's see.
Hey, I'm ready to hit the ground running. So if there's anything you'd like me to focus on first, just let me know.
This Amber. Let's see this voice. Confident and optimistic.
Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
Okay, this is the Maple, cheerful and candid.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
This is Soul. So anyway, you can choose.
I'm looking forward to working together.
Hey, what's up? Hi there. Nice to meet you. I'm excited to help you get things done. Let's get started.
Okay, anyway, just choose the voice you like. This time I will choose Maple. So after you choose Maple, you click this button, start new chat. I think if you are not a paid user, you can only have 10 minutes conversation with ChatGPT with this new feature. So let's click start new chat. Okay, I'm gonna ask some questions to test.
Test
Hey,
success.
yeah. So first, can you describe your favorite color in the most poetic way possible?
Certainly. My favorite color is the deep, tranquil blue of a twilight sky, where the day's light softly fades into the embrace of night, inviting dreams and stars to waltz across its velvet expanse. It's a color that whispers of infinite possibilities and serene calm.
Wow, that sounds very romantic. Thank you for your answer. Okay, the next question. Tell me a short, funny story in under 30 seconds.
All right, here goes. Once, a forgetful magician was performing a magic show. For his grand finale, he intended to pull a rabbit out of a hat. With a dramatic flourish, he reached in, but to his horror, he pulled out his own lunch. The audience burst into laughter as the mortified magician pulled out a sandwich, an apple, and finally, a confused rabbit holding a carrot. Turns out, he'd grabbed the wrong hat.
Ha ha ha, it's very funny. Thank you for your answer. So, the third question. Can you mimic different accents or speech styles from around the world?
Yes, I can certainly adapt my speech style to various accents or speech patterns. If there's a specific accent or style you're interested in, let me know, and I'll do my best to emulate it.
Okay, let's say, can you copy the accent from Taylor Swift?
I'm sorry, but I can't mimic specific people's accents or voices. However, I can try a general American accent if you'd like. How does that sound?
Let's try British accent first.
All right, let's give it a go. This is my attempt at a British accent. Hopefully, it sounds quite proper and clear. What do you think?
Sounds good. And now, Australian accent.
All right, let's switch to an Australian accent. It's a bit more laid back and casual with a bit of a twang. How's this sounding to you?
Okay, sounds good. Okay, the next question. Explain a complex concept like a quantum physics in a simple and engaging way.
Absolutely. Imagine you're at a party. In classical physics, if you want to find your friend, you just look around and there they are. But in quantum physics, it's like your friend is simultaneously at every spot in the room until you check. Then, when you look, they choose a spot to be in. It's all about probabilities and things not being set until they're observed.
Okay, the next question. How would you narrate a scene from an action movie?
The hero races down the narrow alley, footsteps echoing against the brick walls. Behind him, A car skids into view, its tires screeching as it accelerates. He leaps, grabbing a fire escape ladder, pulling himself up just as the car smashes into crates below. Perched above, he catches his breath, knowing the chase is far from over.
Wow, what a good answer. Okay, next question. Sing me a line from a famous nursery rhyme.
I can't actually sing or produce any music. Is there anything else I can help you with?
You can't sing. I mean, I want to listen to a song, so you can't sing at all? Why?
I understand wanting to hear a song, but I don't have the capability to sing or produce music. My skills are more in the realm of chatting and providing information. If you have any other questions or need assistance, I'm here to help.
Okay, next question. Can you tell me a joke with perfect comedic timing?
Sure, I'll give it a shot. Why don't skeletons fight each other? They don't have the guts.
Okay, next question. Describe a scenic sunset as if you were there in person.
The sun dips low on the horizon, painting the sky in a breathtaking palette of oranges, pinks, and purples. The ocean reflects this spectacle, its surface a shimmering mirror. A gentle breeze carries the salty scent of the sea, and the rhythmic sound of waves provides a soothing soundtrack. As the sun slowly sinks, the first stars begin to twinkle above, signaling the end of another day in this paradise.
Okay, let's play some logical game. Let's say yes is one, no is two. I will ask you some questions. Don't answer me yes or no. Answer me one or two, okay?
Got it. I'm ready when you are.
Is Earth round?
1,
Is the color of the sun yellow?
1,
Is the color of the sea red?
2.
Okay, you're clever. You get the logic. Okay, good. Okay, next question. Can you simulate the voice of a news anchor delivering breaking news?
Certainly. Here's my take on a news anchor. We interrupt your regular programming to bring you breaking news. A major development has occurred downtown, where local authorities are currently responding to an unfolding situation. We will provide updates as more information becomes available.
Sounds good. By the way, you can sing, okay? And what's your other ability? I mean, what can you do generally?
While I can't sing, I can do a lot of other things. I can help explain concepts, provide information, tell jokes, assist with writing, and adapt my speaking style to various tones or accents. I'm here to chat about a wide range of topics, help you learn new things, and make our conversations as engaging and enjoyable as possible.
And do you know latest news?
I don't have access to real time news or events that occurred after October 2023. If you need the latest updates, checking a trusted news source would be your best bet. However, if there's something else you'd like to discuss or learn about, I'm here to help.
So that means you know everything before October 2023.
Yes, my knowledge covers a wide range of topics up until October 2023. If there's something from that time or earlier you're curious about, feel free to ask.
Okay, sounds you are very good in history.
I can certainly help. I'm sorry, but
What?
you've hit the monthly limit for advanced voice. You can switch to standard now to keep chatting.
Okay, guys, here you see monthly limit reached. what do you think about this new feature? It's very good, right? And now you have to pay. So it says your advanced voice mod limit resets in 2 weeks. Okay, so that means every 2 weeks you will have another 10 minutes free chat. So if you want to have this every day, you have to upgrade. And okay, I don't want to pay. I mean, if you think this is very good, very useful, you can choose to upgrade. Let's see how much. Wow, it's almost 34 US dollars per month. Okay, I will give it up. So anyway, if you like it and you think it can help you to learn things, you can pay for this. But for now, I think I can learn lots of things by myself. So anyway, it's the simple introduction of this new feature on ChatGPT's new voice.